Repeat file merge. To ensure smooth operation, the software will not display any prompts when merging the same batch of files repeatedly. Let's take a look at how the software handles this. First, we merge the files into a single PDF. A file named merged_output.pdf is generated on the desktop. Next, we click the Merge button again. This time, we see that two sets of numbers are automatically added to the output file name. One represents the file creation date, and the other is the file creation time. Now, let's merge the files once more. As you can see, the file creation time is larger than the previous one. Therefore, by looking at these two sets of numbers, you can determine which file was generated most recently.